Did you know that maintaining hormonal balance is essential for the mental, physical, and emotional well being of every menstruating woman? The hormonal patterns within your body are highly personalized and intricate, much like your individual fingerprint. Deciphering these intricate patterns can sometimes pose a challenge even for healthcare experts, and reverting to your natural rhythm becomes crucial for your overall health. At Laiqa, we are dedicated to elevating women's health through our groundbreaking hormonal health assessment tool right at your fingertips, SmartAI. Providing expert recommendations grounded in both Ayurveda and modern science, personalized menstrual diets, insightful workshops, and a user-friendly handheld consultation program, we lead you on a path towards attaining happy hormones and the equilibrium you truly deserve. Laiqa transcends being a mere platform. We are your partners in the pursuit of a vibrant and balanced life. Join the Laiqa community today to embark on a transformative journey towards equilibrium, resilience, and holistic well-being. Your quest for balance starts right here.